Some shoulder tears don't just cause pain, they steal strength, sleep, and confidence. Today's case is one of the challenging scenarios in shoulder surgery. A massive 3-tendon rotator cuff tear. The subscapularis, supraspinatus, and infraspinatus all torn, retracted, unstable. But complexity demands precision. Every step here is planned, controlled, and purposeful. We begin with the foundation subscapularis tendon. Using single anchor with the in-the-box technique, the tendon is mobilized, reduced, securely restored to its anatomical footprint. Next comes the challenge supraspinatus and infraspinatus. Two medial low anchors recreate native footprint, maximizing contact, biological healing potential. And finally, single lateral low anchor brings compression, balance, and strength across the repair. Every tendon stable, even suture tension, the shoulder restored as a single functional unit. What was once a massive tear is now strong, stable, and anatomical repair. This is not just a surgery, this is restoring movement, power, and a pain-free future. You can see and visualize the shoulder fully repaired. So any injuries like this, please contact Manik Orthocare. Thank you.